Welcome back to Angel Sit Pilates. Today is day 6 of the 7-day Beginners Pilates Challenge. If you'd like to see the other workouts, they are listed in the description below. Today is an all-standing arms and abs workout. We'll be using a set of dumbbells. I recommend if you're a beginner going between 3 and 5 pounds, but you can use whatever you have. And if you don't have dumbbells, you could use either 2 cans or 2 water bottles. We'll do a quick warm-up, the workout, and stretch at the end. So let's get right into it. Let's start with arm circles. So you're gonna step to the side, circling your arms back, and then we'll go forward. Forward. Okay, now let's do a bicep curl. So we're gonna curl up and then press our arms up for a shoulder press. I'll show you from the side. So coming up, press up. Now we'll windmill the arms, so you're gonna bring one arm back and then the other one. You can twist as you bring that arm back. Then bring both arms forward, and then you're going to drive an elbow back as you twist. Come back to center, other way. Back to center, keep going, I'll show you from the side. Okay, bring your arms down, grab your weights, and let's move on. Let's grab one dumbbell first. You're going to place it in your arm. You can mirror me, and then the opposite leg is going to go back. We're going to press up and lower down. Let's begin. Let's switch arms. Other leg goes back. You can have your hand on your hip again. Let's begin. Okay, let's place the weight down. We'll alternate between arms and abs. We're going to bring our arms out in front of us and do a spine twist. So like we did in the warm-up, we're going to twist, but we're going to do it twice. So twisting deeper the second time. So I'll show you. Breathe in and exhale. So twist, twist deeper. And we'll go the other side. Let's begin. Last one. Okay, grab your dumbbells. Let's do 2 this time. We'll do a bicep curl. So palms are facing away from you. Curl up so they come by your shoulders and lower down. Let's begin. So for our breath patterns here, we want to breathe out as they come up and then breathe in as they lower down. Okay, set those down. Now we're gonna tap the opposite knee. Tap and tap. Let's begin. Okay, let's grab our weights. We'll do a front raise and a side raise. So lifting up, you have a slight bend in your elbows, and then out to the side. Let's begin. Okay, set them down. Let's do a side bend. So we can have our legs open, feet are pointed away. You can sit down a little bit. Arms are up. We're gonna bend to the side and then to the other side. Let's begin. Okay, let's grab your weights again. We'll do a little bit of a back exercise. So you're gonna hinge forward, glutes go back, and then palms are facing in. We're going to row. So keep your elbows in, row back, and lower down. Let's begin. Okay, set those down. Now we're gonna twist the knee to the elbow. So try to tap the knee on each side. If that is too hard, then go ahead and just tap with your hand. Let's begin. Okay, last one with the arms. We are going to curl up like a bicep curl, turn away. So rotating and lower down. Let's begin. Show you from the side. So curling up, turn the palms away, lower, and twist away again. Okay, set those down. Okay, last one. We're gonna come back into this position. We're gonna go side bend and then add a twist. Twist. And we'll do the other side. Let's begin. Okay, come up, let's stretch. Let's stand up nice and tall. Bring one arm over. We'll stretch the oblique here. Come up. Let's go to the other side. Come up. Stretching the shoulder, bring it across. You can hook it with the other arm. We'll hold here. Other arm. Arm comes down. Let's do a roll down. So standing tall, breathe in and breathe out as we roll down. Hold here. You can cross your arms if you like, rock side to side. And roll on up. All All right, you're all set. I hope you enjoyed that all standing workout. I know a lot of people will tell me they don't like getting up and down a lot in a workouts. And it's kind of nice to see different type of variations you can do with the abs when you're in standing. If you'd like to see more all standing workouts, I will link it here on the screen. You should be able to see it now or in the video description. And I'll see you for day 7.